Feeling buried under a mountain of WhatsApp messages. Today, we're diving headfirst into Aisensy to unlock the power of WhatsApp automation and reclaim your time. Let's begin by logging into your Aisensy account. If you don't have one yet, head over to Aisensy.com to sign up for a free trial. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Workflows section. This is where the magic happens. Click on Create Workflow to start building your first automated sequence. Now, let's define a trigger. A trigger is what kicks off your automated workflow. Aisensy offers a variety of options, such as new incoming message, keyword trigger, or even integration with your CRM based on specific customer actions. Let's select new incoming message for this example. Next, we need to define the action that will be performed when the trigger occurs. Click the plus button to add an action. Choose send message and craft the message you want to send automatically. This could be a simple greeting, an answer to a frequently asked question, or even a request for more information. To make your automation even smarter, you can add conditions and delays. For example, you can add a condition that checks for specific keywords in the incoming message before sending a specific response, or you can add a delay to wait a certain amount of time before sending the next message. Aisensy integrates seamlessly with other platforms using webhooks. This allows you to trigger workflows based on events happening outside of WhatsApp, such as a new order being placed on your website. Review your workflow to make sure everything is configured correctly. Give it a descriptive name, and then activate it. Track the performance of your automations using Aisensy's Analytics dashboard. This allows you to see how well your workflows are performing and make adjustments as needed to optimize your customer engagement. You can see how well your workflows perform and tweak them for the best customer engagement.